What's going on? Y'all ready? First of all, XRP in the house, baby. XRP a minute ago, 331. I love it. Love it. Man, we've been learning a lot about this platform, right? We're day trading the Nasdaq. And I'm doing a brand new strategy this year, brand new charting system, everything. Learning it from scratch. So this is perfect. Taking a beating, but I'm learning, right? Me and we have a mastermind group in my university. And see what we do today. We're trading with Apex. Apex. Just found out about all this prop firm stuff. My main mission 2025, other than crypto and option trading, is to master this. So it is what it is, right? I'm trying to work it out. My goal is to get 20 PA accounts by the end of the year, 5 by March. Well, by the end of March. So sit back, relax, get some coffee. Just going to get high powered, baby. High powered. High tide, high tide. We did have the core retail sales. Came out. That's it, really. Natty gas, a couple of things. The actual market itself, S&P 500 is... What's up, Jeff?
Hey, man. XRP is a... That puppy looked like it's strapped to a SpaceX booster.
You better believe I was just talking about that. I looked a minute ago. It was $3.31 a minute ago. So we'll see. Yeah. We'll see.
Yeah.
Love it. Dude, today, I think I'm more excited today so far on this day trading than any other day.
Yeah, I think what we learned yesterday was, it was just another piece of the puzzle. And yeah, and there's all the reason in the world to be excited.
Oh, you better believe it. Now, what today, I think the only piece I have left is going to be the trade management. That's it. I mean, I feel everything else is good now. If we can get the trade management, we got it.
And it's really nice that you can narrow it down to that scope, right?
Yeah.
And,
yeah, it is nice. It is nice.
Focus on that one technical piece.
That's it. I mean, everything else is good. I mean, again, today is going to be the first official, I'm not going to say test, but putting this stuff into action. So at the end of the day, we still might take a beating, but my goal is to improve every single day by 0.1%. And yesterday, I think I improved a lot more than that.
Well, let's just hope the beatings are happening with a lighter whip.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Let me tell you, those beatings have been horrendous.
Yeah.
But we're learning it now.
It'd been worse if it was your money.
Yeah, no shit, right? Yeah, that's what I love about it. It's like I keep telling myself, well, shit, we bought these evaluations on sale, $18 after taxes. You blow it up, it costs us $18.
Yeah, I mean, that's about 3 trips down to Starbucks.
Yeah, no shit, right? I mean, it's not like we blow $5,000-$6,000 and it's our own money.
Yeah, exactly. I'm still waiting for my charts, man.
What?
Yeah, I got nothing yesterday. She said she was going to send them.
Give me your username right now.
Let me type it in the chat here.
What's up, Brandon? What's up, John?
Good morning, Josh.
What's up? What's up? Feel good today, baby. Today is the day. And let me tell you, the focus for today is obviously mastering our setups with our auto trader, etc. But we really got to zone in on the management. That's going to be the only piece, in my opinion, left. So let's really, really, really focus on that.
Oh, there you go. It's in the chat. Real easy. Oops.
Why is it not sending here? Hang on. Oh, I gotta send you something. All right, I sent it to you.
Okay, where's that?
Well,
It went right straight to my Sierra chart.
yeah, you're gonna go to File, and you'll be Open Chart Book. Now it takes a couple minutes to get there, but it's gonna pop up, and it's because a PPTSST 90-day project.
Okay.
Yep. All
Thank you,
right.
sir.
Hey, you're welcome, brother.
You have to authorize it though in on Sierra Chart on the web page.
Right. Yeah.
I don't even know how to do that. What the hell is that?
It's got to go to your. You got to go to your account control panel.
Oh,
and,
okay.
I'll be interested when you start loading it too, Jeff G, because I'm having the same problem that Jeff had where I get the spinning circle whenever I try to make changes.
Yeah.
Well, I was telling him that, I remember yesterday Rebecca said that she was going to, got me a message already.
Yeah.
Rebecca was going to send it out, and I never saw anything yesterday. So,
Well, I mean, they're doing a lot of shit, so.
Actually, Liz was going to send it out when she got me set up to use the charts. She said she'd be sending it. There'd be some time before she sent out the charts. So,
Well, I sent it out now. I mean, the good thing is I learned how to do it, so.
right, I have the one you sent out the other day. That's what I'm using, but my her Mini 5 Auto just messes up my machine. It's like I can't get the black space on the right off of it when I try to do it. It gets the spinning wheel, and then it says not connected to Sierra Trading. But yeah. I'm wondering, she's got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 windows. I wonder if that's part of it.
Yeah.
Too. You've got a bunch too, though.
Yeah, no shit. I mean, I got the same thing y'all do.
Your Mini 5 Auto Trader. I don't know. It's just frustrating when I try to set it up to go to Apex.
Yeah.
I click on it and then I click again and the wheel spins for a few seconds and then, or a minute or so, and then it finally clicks in.
Well, you saw mine. You saw mine yesterday. That sumbitch took one time like 30 minutes.
Right. I actually have on my Apple Watch, I have a stopwatch. So I've been setting it when it starts and it's
crazy.
So
yeah, just I don't, and again, I don't know any of the technical stuff, and I think it probably has something to do with the amount of crap that we have open. I mean, I'm pretty sure that has probably something to do with it.
And see, for me, that's the only thing that's running on that computer.
Wow.
So I don't know if there are settings on the machine, and that's where maybe I can have a conversation with the other Jeff once he gets going.
Yeah.
Because it's frustrating.
I was pissed off yesterday. Mark! What up, Mark? My man, Mark. Yeah, no, I know it's frustrating. But I get it. You saw me yesterday. That's why now what I'm trying to do is I do it early. I load up all my charts. I do all that crap. Let it spin. And then that way, hopefully when the market opens, everything's good to go. What's up, Marky Mark?
Good morning, everybody.
What up, brother? What up?
Sounds like you got some growing pains there with the new software.
Well, it's not this. It's just the software. Yes, you got to learn it, right? I mean, it's like anything else. But these Urenco charts, I mean, I never looked at Urenco charts in my damn life. So that's new. And yeah, I mean, and the Nasdaq. So it's just like everything else, when you learn something new, you got to go through your growing pains, and that's okay, right? One thing I do know for sure.
You always move forward in the proper manner, Jeff, which is good,
Hey, one thing I know for sure. If you give up, you'll never figure it out. And I ain't about to do that. And yesterday, like they say when they walked on the moon, it was a giant leap forward. So we'll see today. We'll see today if how much I learned yesterday. But again, I don't care at this point about taking a beating. My goal every day, right now, is to improve 0.1%. Because once I get this down, it's like when I was day trading the ES. Once I got it down, that was it. And again, I have no problem taking a beating because I'm not pretending to be an expert with this system at all. But the good news is, we're learning it together. And there's a lot of growing pains right now as far as setting up the stuff. And you know what? It is what it is, right? And I'm hoping that as we continue to work forward, we start to figure out ways to make that less and less. But it is what it is. So let's get rolling. Let's see what we got. Nasdaq. Let me make sure that that's one thing you want to make sure that I do every day from now on is I disconnect this at night. And then when I come on in the morning, I reconnect it. Reconnect it. And I'm still trying to figure out why that candle's orange, but she told me yesterday, but I forgot.
Dasher boom.
Oh, okay. So even though it's
when it crosses a dasher line, the candle turns orange.
So I guess since it crossed to the downside, it turned orange.
Actually, it broke up, it looks like. So
well, the breakup was right here.
So then it must have been the cross down.
Yeah. Yeah, because what's happening is, well, let me see here. Oh, wait. Where's line 21 at? Line 21. All right. So we're underneath line 21. This is what we learned yesterday, right? Yeah, that's why. Okay. So I was wondering why it didn't trigger on that breakout. It didn't. And why did it trigger here?
Because it went back down.
No. Well, yeah, but why didn't it trigger, right? Why didn't it trigger there? Like, I know the answer, but do you know the answer? No. Okay, so the answer is very simple. Line 21. And in this particular case, it has to do with the 55. Well, I thought that, but now I'm changing my mind. She did say something, I got it in my notes about line 21 and 55, that the dasher boom won't trigger, unless it's above or below the line 21. And it seems to me, since we're below line 21, it's only triggering to the downside. And again, it only triggered when it went down. I think. Man, I don't know, dude. Because I also thought that line 55 had to be red. And I guess it wasn't. So, all right. That's fine. So I thought it was line 21. You're below line 21. Then you got to be below 55. But you're not below 55. So I'm wondering why that triggered. Because that's one of the main signals that I'm going to be focusing on is these dasher booms. Right? Big time. All right, here in a minute, we're going to get to work. Money management. That's going to be the ticket.
So Jeff, I got the chart installed and loaded and everything. And I got the spinning wheel. So
yeah.
I wonder if it's just because somebody made a comment in one of the rooms that I think she turned off the dasher boom because it used up so much computing power.
Oh, shit.
Possibility. Right now, I got a yellow message down there on the screen. Here we go. Now it's downloading. The historical data.
There you go. It just takes a little bit. Hey, look. See, the dasher boom did not trigger to the upside because we're below line 21. I think she said below line 21 was that the London Open, or what she said it was?
She said it was the London Open, but then she said something about a calculation yesterday. So,
okay. All right, that's fine. Sounds good. All right, so I'm going to get ready here. I'm going to wait 15 minutes. I'm going to kind of get really, really set to where I'm just kind of analyzing for the first 15 minutes. Taking a look at, like in this particular case, where we're at. I'm not even sure what that blue line is right there. I don't fucking know what that is. Is that line 21?
I believe it is. I went back and tried to find, I looked at the chart settings, and I think that's line 21.
Well, then how come we're below line 21 on the other one and above line 21 on this one?
I don't know. I went through and I looked at it on several different charts, and it was in different places.
Oh, wow. That's weird. Well, we're definitely bouncing off whatever this line is.
Right. The one that's on there makes sense. That because it's bouncing off of it.
Yeah. Yeah, but line 21's up here. So why the hell is line 21? That's why I don't know if that's line 21. I don't even know if I got line 21. And the problem is if I make a change right now, you know what's going to happen? I'm going to get that little wheel, and I don't want that. So either way, 55's going up. We bounced off whatever that damn line is. Stochastics, or she calls it a fast MACD. Kind of pulling back.
Are you on the 10? Is that where you're at?
Yeah, I'm on the 10. I can go to the 30. Yeah, see that line's still there, though. I don't know. We'll ask her today. Well, no, it can't be line 21 because, look, it's also down here, right? So I don't know what the hell that line is.
That's the change of the day. It's for the day.
I'll ask her today because I'm not sure what that is. And I'm not going to make any changes right now. Because if I make any changes...
You don't like spinning wheels?
Nah, I don't like that shit.
I'm live.
Huh?
I'm live.
All right. I like it. I'm about to rock and roll here, my friend. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my little bad boys to work. Get my little bad boys. Now, we are going down, but we do have this higher low. So I'm going to turn this bad boy on. I'm going to turn it on, baby. Remember, and I'm going to also turn on my dasher. Let's go. I don't think the wait, I don't want to, whoa. I don't want to turn on the dasher yet. Hang on. I don't want to go short. I don't want to go short right now because we're working off this higher low. Yeah, we're here. We're still red. So that's probably not a good sign, but you know what? I'm going to test it all out. That is what it is. So I got my my little worker ready to rock, dude. This is one of I'm going to be focusing on these two signals right now, MDX, Dasher Boom. That's what I'm focusing on. And I think that's what y'all are, right? That's what y'all are focusing on too? Brandon, Jeff, John? Yes. Okay, good. That way we can all learn this bad boy together. All right, so I think, let me see here. We're pretty deep right now. I'm going to turn it off. Disable it. I don't want it yet. It's just too low. So I'm just going to wait. It pulled back too deep. We are red over here. So higher high. And again, I just don't want these suckers to, I got to get used to it today. Today, my main mission is to really get good at these so I can understand them and then focus on the money management. I don't care. That's it. That's all I care about. I don't care about passing no evaluations. All right, we got us a swing low. And that's where Jason! What's up? Gonna be a good day, my man. Good learning day. Good learning day. Get good at these signals. MDX. Dasher Boom. And money management. I'm completely lost at the money management part. So this is where today we've got to all work together and really nail that down. Nail our signals. So we got right here, I got long only right now. I don't want to go short. Take multiple trades. Auto disable, that's a check. Enter on bar close. So that's my little worker. And then Dasher Boom. It's not, on yet, but this is my settings right here. I don't know if it's right or wrong, but I think it's right. Okay. We're dropping. I might do a pullback today, but if I do, I'm only going to do one pullback. I'll tell you when it happens, man. Or I'll just do it and you see. I really don't like, to be honest with you, these pullback trades. That's what's been tearing me apart to shreds. I don't like that. So that may be a distant memory. I might take one, but I really would like to just focus on those two signals. These pullbacks have been, again, that's been one of the main reasons why I've been getting annihilated. Trying to catch the, and oh, fuck that, dude. Now I feel good after yesterday. So we're breaking through DB5. And again, pushing for that. We got a swing low down here. Pushing for the low of the day. Well, I guess that's like pre-market. I don't know. Because the market just opened up. S&P 500 is flat. Dow Jones pretty flat. Nothing big going on. XRP not flat. XRP! I said I'm not going to look at my portfolio. I gave myself 3 scenarios this past week. I said I will not look at my crypto portfolio until 1, Bitcoin is over 100,000. Now, all 3 of these have to happen at the same time. 2, XRP above $3. And 3, Ethereum above 4,000. So I'm not going to look at my portfolio until those 3 scenarios are all occurring at the same time. And then I'm going to look at it, and I'm probably going to go crazy when I do. All right, so we're just screaming to the downside, right? Everything is definitely down, but we do have this swing low. So, when we get this swing low, we're coming into the U-turn. I really don't want to play this short with that swing low. I'd rather focus on back to the upside. I'm really going to try to focus on the signals that we've been talking about. I'll get into it more later because I'm really focused. Yeah, this could go up and roll over, but that swing low, I'm just not going to play it like that. I'm not going to play it like that. I'm going to try to rock today, man. Kind of moving, 55, everything. Actually, though, if you look at these dasher boom, man, if I'd have turned that signal on, that was I don't think it was a home run because look at that pullback. Fuck, it would have been, you would have got in that trade and it would have ate you up. Wow. Y'all good? Y'all got y'all stuff up? Jason, you got your stuff up?
I just got to figure out my little chart navigation here, getting windows in the right place. I'm trying to pan around and move things. And yeah. Okay. But we're good.
Beautiful, brother. Beautiful. So here's the thing. I could look to go short right now. I mean, I said I didn't want to, but at the end of the day, that's how we're going to learn, right? Whoa, what'd I do? Oh, man. I didn't want all 3 of those. Fuck. This is the one I'm playing with. See, if I go short only right now, it's probably going to enter me on the close of that bar. And it could be a diamond. So I'm going to give it a shot. And I'm going to turn on this dasher boom as well. So this guy, did it just get me into the trade? Oh, yeah, it sure did. So I got, again, I'm practicing, right? If I get killed, I get killed. I don't care, man. That's what happened. Wait, what the hell just happened? I accidentally closed the trade. What? Oh, you son of a fucking bitch. Wow, I accidentally closed the fucking trade, dude. What the hell? All right, I'm going to leave it. Actually, I'm going to leave this on long and short. That way, if it reverses on me, and again, I don't care if I get beat up today. I'm trying to learn this stuff. So I put it on long and short. That way, if it reverses and goes back up, I'm assuming it's going to get me in the trade. I'm assuming it is. I don't even know what happened. Okay, it did. Again, I don't care about losing today. Why is there 2 open? Again, the beating doesn't matter to me today. I'm trying to learn this. It's more important. So, and these little effers, man, I don't know. They got to get out of the way. They're messing me up. All right. I still don't know what happened a minute ago. It accidentally closed me out of the trade. I don't know why. So let me see here. We got a dasher. I don't think the dasher is going to trigger, though. Okay. Dasher didn't trigger. All right. Oh, wait. Boom. All right. So I went from down 300. Now I'm up 215. Okay. So hang on. I'm just going to disable it. It happens so fast. Again, money management's going to key, but I'm up 215. I was down 300 on, I don't even know what happened. I guess I made a mistake, but we were coming into this resistance. And so I wanted to close it out into the resistance up to 15. So I like it. That was good. And I would have closed it out right there. Bouncing off the swing low. So man, I don't know. I guess I'm gonna keep long and short. What do y'all think? Is that what y'all are gonna do? Long and short? Let's talk.
Yeah, I think so for now.
Okay. So this is the settings that I got. Little worker bees. So we got us a higher low. This is one of the main setups. So I'm gonna actually I don't want to, man, see, I'm afraid to turn it on. I don't want it to trigger me in, man. I'm going to go long only. And then if I'm in the trade, I'll switch it. So I'm going to go ahead and enable that and enable that. So I got my MDX enabled long only. Because if we would have put it long and short, I think it would have triggered us. Again, I'm learning. My goal today is to really work hard on that, and then master the money management. Because it would have got you in on close. So right now you'd be about break even. All right, so I like this higher low. I like that we're bouncing off the low. I got my MDX ready to go. My little worker bees. Let's go. And then we got our dasher. I don't think it's going to trigger the dasher because we're below line 21. So I think we're good to go. We're coming into the 0 line. We got twins. We got twins, Jenny. Put these down here. They're just in my way. All right. All right, so we're good. Again, I know the stochastics and MACD are, kind of head down, but that's okay. Now, here's the thing. We're actually coming into resistance which kind of gives me a little scare. I don't think you know what? Well, let's see here. I might target out if we can get in on this higher low, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to target out on this 200. Okay? But we're working off a higher low. That's one of the signals. Higher low after a higher low. Bam, in the trade. In the trade. I'm going to target this 200. Right there, I'm going to target the 200. Yeah, I'm targeting the 200. I'm going to stick with it. And I'm going to let this pullback happen. Again, this is the main thing for me today is really try to master this money management. Okay. I'm going to move it down a little bit right there. Okay, we're going at, so we might rotate. But I'm not going to touch it, man. We've got to really figure out this management, guys. That's going to be the key to today. Really dissecting where to put our stop losses. Right? I got my target just below the 200. I'm not going to take much on this one. Let the dancing queen dance, right? Isn't that what she says? Man, this candle's wicked. Wicked. Charles says he's still short and I'm long. But I'm doing the Nasdaq. He's doing the S&P, so it's a little bit different. I don't like this, though, right here. I'll be honest with you. I don't really like that at all, but I don't care, right? We gotta test it out. Take notes on everything that we do because the management is the most important thing for today. All right. Bam! Come on! Woo! 355. All right. 355 off. Good job. Good job, worker bees. That's a big, nasty wick right there. Hated that. That was awful. All right. So I got my data. Okay. So now let's see if we can break this high. I'm going to our dasher, I'm going to go ahead and disable the dasher. It's not going to trigger anyway because we're below line 21, I think. Yeah, we're below line 21, so it's not going to trigger. This is our breakout. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just go ahead and disable that too, because what's going to happen is if this rolls over, we got an equal high. I don't want that. Okay? No. So I'm disabled right now, and I'm going to wait. I've been focusing a lot on reading the market with this system. Right now, we're more equal highs. That's not my signal. 355. I like it. I feel good. Okay. Now, we could play a dasher to the downside, but right now I'm just going to back off. Back off. We're chopping sideways. Right? Look at the MACD. We're going sideways right now. Nasdaq's down 22. I'm just talking out loud, man. I'm just doing my thing. If we can break through this support level, then I'll start to look back to the downside. Okay? I think if we would have had it checked for enter both ways, it would have entered right there. And then the dasher. But if y'all do that, we'll just, again, play it by ear, see how it goes. I'm trying to focus on just the direction of the trend, though. Now, we do have a lower low. So if we, what is that? Okay. All right, bam. Whoa! Do we have an announcement? Hang on. Hang on. 9 o'clock. Business inventories. That's not a big deal. I mean, you wouldn't think it's a big deal. Sure didn't act like it was a big fucking deal. I mean, everything's pretty flat. These candles look a lot worse than things really are, though. All right. We're at another swing low. So that swing low is my my trigger to back off. Now that swing low, that's just telling us that, you know, it could end here pretty soon, right? It could go up, do another bear flag. Like earlier, right? Like that. Oh, way back here, go back here. But look, it didn't follow through. So on a serious note, these swing lows, I don't even know what this is. Oh, that's the low. So we're making lows at a day. I mean, we're pounding. We're right now at that support level. We break through that DPP. We do have a swing low. Wow. If we would have turned on that auto trader for both directions, I don't know if y'all left it, but it would have triggered, added, home run. Home run. Oh, shit. Maybe I should do that, dude. These little worker bees. You know what? If we roll over, I'm going to do that. I'm going to turn them on. Finale. Don't do it now. Gemini. This could be it on a swing low. We might go back up. So I'm definitely not going to short into that finale star. Definitely not going to short into that finale star. Coming from that, I like it. This could be our first higher low. Pull back. Could bounce off this low. I like it. Get through that 200. Bam. We're kind of working up. Okay. Swing low down here. We might jump. I like what I'm seeing. I like what we're seeing. Damn, if we can just get that money management, we get that money management, it's over. So guys, feel free, right? Come off, talk. I mean, that's all I got left, man. I think I'm, at least confident so far. All right, coming into the sweet 70. We're up here. I love this move off the bottom, 6 to 6. Get my auto trader ready to go. I think what I'll do on the MDX, since we're fuck it. Let me think for a minute. I'm not sure if I'm going to do it long only. See, I don't want to take this short. That's why. Like, I don't want to. If you had it checked, it would take it. I mean, fuck. Look, it worked. Shit. I'm going to turn mine on. And I'm going to turn mine off on that. Because I don't think it's going to dash or boom to the upside. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do it long and short. It won't trigger another short. So I'm going to do a long and short right here. Yep, triggered me in. And I'm going to target resistance. I'm going to target resistance. And I got it to stop and reverse, right? That stop's so big, though, man. I'm not comfortable with it, man. I really don't know the best line of attack, y'all. But that Nasdaq moves around so much. I am going to stop and reverse it, and then I'm going to turn this dasher on. I am targeting this resistance, though. I'm not going to try to push it to go to a new high.
Yeah, I'm just sitting here watching you this morning, Jeff. I got some more setup things on my screen I got to do before I can start getting with it.
No, you're good, bro. Look at that. That's a hard pullback. Hard pullback. I'm going to go ahead and enable Dasher. So, wow, that did a stop and reverse. Oh, wow. That's exactly what happened a minute ago. Man, this thing's out of control. Holy shit, what just happened? How did I get down 510? It went in my direction. Shut up. How did that get down 510? That shit went in my direction. What? That was crazy. It put me down 510 and it actually went in my direction. This bitch is stopping and reversing all over the place. That's psycho. Wow. That was crazy. That was absolutely insane. I don't even know what happened. But you know what? In order to learn the lesson, we just got to do it. Why is it disabled? Oh, it puts you over a certain amount and then it gets disabled. What? Once you lose a certain amount or win a certain amount, it goes disabled and you got to do it manually. Oh, man. That was too fast. What? What's going on? Fucking auto trader. That's the craziest thing ever. Auto trader going wild. Yeah. Again, I'm just testing it out, man. All right. Auto trader going wild, baby. Auto trader going motherfucking wild. All right. Let's go to work now. Dude, that thing was crazy, dude. Auto trader was on crack. Choppy market's a little too tough for this auto trader, man. Wow. Charles said reverse bias. What happened? Damn, this thing is on crack. Wait, what happened? What did it just do? Oh, it got me in on a dasher. Holy shit. Dude, this thing is on crack, bro. This shit just got me in on a dasher. Boom. Wow. I'm not going to lie. That is insane, bro. See this resistance? I'm just watching it because if that stops me out again, I'm just trying to learn the lesson. To me, I don't even care about today as far as winning. I'm just trying to take these signals and learn the stuff. So right there, we ran into a resistance. So I don't know how smart it was to actually take that trade, but it rolled over a minute ago at the resistance. And you know what? It looks like it's doing again. So what we need to do is, bam. Okay, so that we got to pay attention to these resistances. That's very important because you can see that's twice. I'm not going to anticipate that. Look at that. Right there again. If we break through it, I'm going to enter.
That was a double, too. The 618 and the higher high.
Oh, yeah.
Dasher boom line. So there were two there.
Damn, look at this. But again, this is good. You know, I'm up already like a lot on this account, so I'm just working it today. The thing is, you know, it's about learning the signals and then just practicing the stop loss. So right now we're just chopping around. So I'm going to wait. But that auto trader went crazy. Like nuts. I don't know about that stop and reverse. That stop and I thought I was that stop and reverse got at me like 4 times in a row. It got me in, switched me, this is how we learn a lesson, right? Shit, in the morning, yeah. Okay, dude, this is cool. I'm going to practice these signals all day. It don't matter. I got to use these PA accounts because they're going to renew no matter what. And it's like I got to pay a fee, so I might as well get in there, start rocking it. Yeah, dude, it's destructive. So let me turn on my dasher. Oh, it's not letting me do a dasher anymore either. I've already blown up my damn auto trader for the day. So that way, I got to do the signals on my own. I can't rely on my boy. Maybe if I get back positive, it'll let me. All right, so we're at a lower low. I don't know if it's going to give you a dash if it breaks through this. It did. But if you notice how fast it was. Damn. Fucking wicks are deadly in the morning. So again, write down all this stuff so we can talk later about the stop loss. Because the signal's fine. It just stopped in reverse so many times. I might not be able to do that in the morning. That's good to know because I don't think I can handle stop and reverse because in the morning. I'm still going to take all these signals. They're just going to be manually until maybe I get back to the point where my auto trader. I don't know why it stopped. I guess it's because I'm over 500. I don't know, dude. All right. But hey, I'll tell you what, man. This is a good experience. Now we know, dude. These resistance lines, these fibs, look at that. They're powerful. That's why they take them at these levels, man. But at least I feel confident now, at least of what signals I'm looking for. But auto trader gone wild in the morning is definitely difficult. What's going on, John? What's up?
Just watching.
It's crazy, right?
It is.
It is absolutely insane. So we're just cruising down. We hit DB5. So rule number 1, auto trader stop and reverse in the morning. Yeah, that's not going to happen. I'm actually writing that down right now. Don't use, and I'm calling it stop and reverse. Stop and reverse in the morning. Okay. That's what happened a minute ago. I mean, it got me into so many trades, I didn't even know where I was at. Basically, just go with our direction, and if it doesn't work, we get stopped out. So what I might do, though, is dasher. I do like the dasher signal in the morning, so I should have just stuck it with the dasher. I have no problem with that. So no stop and reverse, though, which means it's going to be a direction, long or short. Dasher, no problem with that one. All right, so we could have a diamond to the downside. Now I'm forced to do it manually if it happens. The dasher's not going to trigger except short, but I can't auto trade it because my little bad boys they're dead. They're dead for the day. They work too much and they destroyed me. At least I don't feel bad now, because you know what? What used to get me anxiety was these pullbacks, and I'm not taking those pullbacks anymore. I just want to learn how to manage our stop loss. Okay, go back. All right. Right, we got us a higher low. We're sitting on a support level. I'm buying. I would have got in earlier, but I don't have the auto trader to help me, so I got to do it manually. And I'm going to get out right there to sweet 70. Damn, it's fighting at that level. Yeah, very destructive, bro. Well, that's okay. In order to learn that lesson, we got to do it, right? Now I know, don't do it. I'm targeting out at that sweet 70. It's having a problem getting through these levels, though. Come on, baby. Bam. All right, I'm out. I just gained back $400 on that little move. I like it. But let me tell you something. I am now respecting these levels. Look at that. That's some respect. That was about $300 something on that trade, so that was good. That was good. Again, that pullback, kind of scary. But I agree, Jason. Both ways, 1,000 down. Not going to use the boat stop and reverse in the morning. I can promise you that. You know, it is sustainable. It is sustainable. Just don't do the damn auto trader. Don't do the auto trader stop and reverse. You got the choice whether you do it stop and reverse or not. Just don't do it stop and reverse. It is very sustainable. I only got in trouble because I kept flip-flopping around. But I don't care about losing. Today is about learning. It's not like I'm down $735 of my own money. My goal today is very simple. I can't judge it on what I was doing before because today is the first day I feel like I at least have a plan. So, yeah. Oh, the ES stuff. Well, yeah, no, I was doing a lot better with the ES stuff. But I was trading my own money. I don't want to trade my own money if I can trade prop for money, you know? So I'm giving it 3 solid months of busting my butt, but the ES was all my own money. Again, if I was down 735 on the ES, it'd be 735 of my own money. As soon as Toss gets it where we can trade the ES, yeah, but I don't. Well, on this platform, I don't know if it's going to be as good though. Again, I'm doing what I'm doing, right? I've made a mission to study this and learn this, so that's kind of the way it is for me. My mission is very simple. Give it 3 months solid of this.
You can trade the ES on the TOS platform in futures.
Yeah, we do trade the ES on a TOS platform.
Well, you're trading it in options, though. You can actually trade the futures in TOS as well.
Yeah, but it's my money.
Does that.
It's my money.
I know.
No, I don't want to trade my money like at all. Like I want to focus on this.
Right. And if you're going to trade your money, what you want to do is get a funded account where you can trade the micros for a small margin for a day trade.
Yeah. That's... All right. And again, I'm sticking to this, guys. That's the way I'm doing it. I don't abandon stuff. And I'm more confident today than I ever have been. And again, as far as the stop and reverse, I needed to do that so I can learn my lesson. I can learn what to do and what not to do. But yeah, I'm way more confident. At least I have now exactly what I'm going to be focusing on. So I don't abandon stuff, whenever all of a sudden it doesn't work in the very beginning of something brand new.
No, that's not what I was saying.
I'm not saying that's what you're saying. I'm just saying out loud for my own benefit.
Right. And anyway, never mind.
No, I mean, again, I'm talking out loud to my own self. I'm not talking about anybody else. I'm talking to myself to tell myself and reassure myself what the plan is for me. So when I speak out loud, I'm speaking for my own self. I'm not directing it to anybody except Jeff. But one thing I do say is I'm giving myself 3 solid months to learn this. And today, I don't, stop and reverse. It is what it is. Could care less, Now I know don't do that. All right, so the thing about here is we're back underneath that level. I'm not messing around with these levels anymore with these fibs. We have a nice higher low. Again, though, you can see here, we're bouncing off this to the downside. It could be resistance, which is this level right here. So I'm not going to take a trade right in front of that level. And again, I'm not taking that pullback. This is where, for the past several days, I've been trying to call. I'm not doing that. And if anything, I feel much better about that. So the 200 is sloping down. Patience. Okay. So we might get this confirm higher low with an X, but again, I'm very leery about that. See, right there you would enter, but to be honest with you, I'm very leery about this level. Look what it did. Look what it does at these wow. That's crazy. It literally went right to this level and it's pulling back. We got to get through these levels, man. So now I see they get out of their, resistance. All right, we're breaking through. All right. So if we break through here, I'm going to manually enter the button. Even though I know we're below line 21, I'm going to do it. I'm going to put a buy stop order right. if we explode up through that. That's not going to turn a dash or boom, but if it breaks up through that, I'm going to get in because that's a resistance. Although this won't light up orange, the only reason it won't light up orange is because we're below line 21. All right, now I'm going to erase it. Okay, now we're going sideways again. This is the best that I have felt yet. Because it's really hard, which means in the afternoon, boy, it's probably going to be so much easier. Are y'all trading this? John, are you watching or are you trading it?
I was trading on a sim account. I didn't have an Apex account set up. I'm setting one up now, but I'm watching the spinning blue circle.
So you're on the sim. You're on the sim.
The sim came up, and I knew it was going to take a while to
load,
to get it to Apex, to load Apex. So I'm in the process of waiting for that to happen.
Oh, okay.
550 on the sim.
Gotcha.
I love blue spinning circles. On the Mac, at least it's a spinning beach ball.
Yeah, exactly.
Think happy thoughts and sand between your toes.
Exactly, dude. I'm gonna watch something right now. There's something on my radar that I want to pay attention to.
I have a question for you too.
Yeah, I'll do my best to answer it. So go for it, brother.
Did she say yesterday, because of how far apart the 21 is and the pivot, the daily pivot, that she expected them to bounce between the two today?
I think she did, bro.
It's almost like Charles's pivots, I think, when there's no bias and he expects it to go up to the bounce between the two.
Right.
So I don't know if she expects it to go down. I wish there'd be some way to get that information from her.
Well, I think we just attend every day and we just keep asking questions, you know?
Because it went down to almost the pre-market low, the daily low.
Right,
Didn't quite tick it, but the pivot is way below that, though.
Yeah, for sure. And remember, too, once we get these PA accounts, man, we don't need to make all this. We go for our, like, $500 or whatever, and we shut it down. So right now, I want to just trade because my whole thing is I've got all these evaluation accounts. They're going to be running out in about a week and a half. I'm going to renew. Might as well get in there and just go to work, you know, win, lose, or draw, because either way, they're going to renew. All right, so we're working off a lower low. So I would love, this is where we have a lot of resistance. So here's what I'm going to try as an experiment. I'm going to try to do a sell limit order right there with a tight stop only because of the resistance. And I want to see, because that proved to me these resistance areas they're quite strong. I never really looked at that before because I didn't really know what the hell I was looking for. Now, if we keep going down, I'm going to just cancel that order. That's the only reason I wanted to get in right there, because I wanted to test that out. We are low. We're separated. So we're below the 6. And I'm trying to put a sell limit order right up here just because there's a lot of resistance. And, you know, you go to that, I short you, right? Is that what it is? You go to that, I short you.
Ta-da!
Exactly. Ta-da! Dancing. I am excited, though, to be trading this today. I'm telling you right now, I'm pumped. I'm so pumped. This is the bet. What's up?
I wish I could quit thinking about this all night, though.
Oh my God, dude. I'm with you, bro. I'm thinking about this shit in my dream.
And I think that's why she's so confident too, is that she's seen her lines.
Yes.
Work as support and resistance so much.
Yes. Yes. I believe that's true because look at this. That came right up to 55. Let's see. I'm not going to take this trade, but let's see how it acts right here. Because there's 3 levels of potential resistance. Again, I'm not doing it because we're way down here, but let's just see. Look at that. That's a big sell-off. That right there was a nice move. If you scalp the bar. If this rolls over red, again, just more and more reason that, wait a minute, these levels are powerful, so we can set stop losses right above these levels for tight risk. But I'll tell you what, when you have the signals that you're looking for, I feel so much better. I don't feel good about a stop and reverse. But look at that. You see that? It's acting as a mean. Holy shit. It went right up to that level and it's selling off. This is great information. Look at that. Holy crap. That would have been, I was going to short it with the tight stop and I was going to get out at the low. That, my friends, is wild. I just don't like taking those, but especially when we're down. Well, we're down here at this potential U-turn, right? And it crossed. So bam, this could reverse over to the downside. So what I'm going to do is, if this rolls over, I'm going to go short. Right here. If we roll over, I'm going to hit the sell because my little freaks aren't working. And again, I really want to get into as many trades as possible so I can practice my stop loss. That to me is obviously critical because we can't be taking big ass losses. One loss will blow up a fucking account. Okay, so now we're popping back up above the 200. We're starting to flicker. So we might be choppy the rest of the morning. Back above it. That's fine. What a great lesson that was. What a great lesson. I'm going to be trading the majority. So my lesson for right now is in the morning, there's no stop and reverses. Period. I'm going to get this back. I'm going to be up at the end of this day. You mark my words, man. I can actually look at this stuff right now, and it feels like I know what I'm doing. What about y'all? Did you get some? I mean, how do you feel?
Yeah, I think we're getting it dialed in, Jeff.
Oh, you damn man! I feel good. Again, I don't care that it's down. That was because I did a stop and reverse, and I got into 4 trades in a row, and I didn't even know what trade I was in, and I lost on all 4. Which that's fine. I needed that to happen to learn the lesson. And it's really moving around fast in the morning. So imagine when it slows down, how much easier it's going to be. Like, then we just work right now. I'd be going down, right? That was a lower high, but I just don't feel comfortable anymore shorting into that now that I know the strength, right? But, you know, if it comes up like this and it rolls over, you can short and you target that area, right? That's what they're doing. They're targeting these resistance areas. Now I see because these some bitches are crazy. They're crazy. All right. Anyway, we're going to start options here in about 10 minutes or so. What I'm going to do is I'm going to lock it. We got lots of trading today. After options, we'll take a tiny break. Boom. We'll be back in the room around 11:15 trading, learning, and then we'll get into the room at 12. Again, focus on our management, right? Our management and getting good at the two signals, MDX Wilder, Dasher Boom. That's what we're focusing on. For those of you on YouTube, peace out. If you want to join us and learn this stuff with us, get into the live coaching mastermind. Peace. All right, y'all.